What's up, C Squad? It's Trey, aka Daddy C. Thank you for joining here on this channel. If it's your first time here, do me a quick favor, hit that notification bell down at the bottom so you can stay on top of our content as we drop it. And if you've been here before, thanks for rocking and vibing with our content. We are over 3,600 subs right now, closing in on 4,000, 5,000 on up. So we appreciate the support. Thanks for vibing out. Want to get into this video today, just talking about a new shoe, new thing that just came in. We are talking about the Salehe Bembury Crocs that just came in the Horchata colorway. But before we do that, I just want to take a quick time out to talk about something real life, right? So today on the sneakers app, Nike actually Nike took down the born and raised Nike SB that's supposed to drop this upcoming Friday. So I don't know if you guys have heard that news. I know it's been around the sneaker world for the last day or so, but the owner of that brand, Chris Sponto Printups, died tragically in a car accident. So Nike, out of respect, I guess, for him and his family and everything else, pulled that release down. So just want to say rest in peace, and prayers up for his family and those affected by that. Really good guy, man, like strong in that brand, and he found it out in California. This dude, like a couple of weeks ago, just took, I think, 100 pairs or something and gave pairs of that shoe to the whole graduating class at his alma mater high school, Venice High School. So seemed like a really good dude. I was looking forward to this release. Big fan of Nike SBs, but we'll see what happens in the foreseeable future with that shoe if it does eventually drop at a later time. So anyway, just support and love from the Daddy C family for that situation going on. All right, so now that that's out of the way, we want to talk about the Salehe Bembury Croc. Now, this is a shoe, I guess you call it a shoe, right? A Croc that Salehe Bembury, that website, the Be a Sponge, and the way they do their drops, they're password protected. People have had a lot of issues with them. I had friends that were like, I can't get in. I've got in, it's sold out. Somehow I was able to pop in for one of the squad out there. My guy Jeff, what's up, Bussy? But was able to pop on the site to hook up him, and get his size in this drop that just happened a couple of weeks ago. The thing is, when Salehe and crew take your money, they don't give you much anything after that, right? I got a notification confirmation that the order went through, and then nothing. Nothing about shipping. Friends that I'm talking to on IG and everything else, all like, have you guys heard anything? And it was like 2.5 weeks. Then all of a sudden, it's like I got a shipping notification. The next day, the box was on my doorstep. So it's like pluses and minuses. But overall, we're gonna get into this shoe. Decent experience. Was able to cop on mobile, right on my phone, and here we are. So this is the Horchata Salehe Bembury Croc. All right, let me get the other one out real quick. So you've seen this box before. It's got the fingerprints on top, that fingerprint situation going on. And this is your traditional Salehe Bembury signature designer Croc. Now, if we've talked about this before. 10 years ago, you'd have told me that we'd be out here spending $100 or whatever for designer Crocs. I'd have said you're crazy. But, these are dope. These are really, really, they come in some really nice colors. The design is, kind of really, one of a kind. The treatment that he gave these with this whole fingerprint motif, the construction of it is really nice. So much so that I've got a couple of my own. Got the Tide, which, I do love those. Kind of crazy bright blue, but then this black colorway, I forget what they call this, slate or something like that. But, wear these probably more than anything. Not one to rock these like with a fit, like, yeah, let me put this outfit on and my Crocs. They're kind of like casual for me. Like when I'm running out to the store, Target, whatever, sometimes I'll just throw those on and just go. I definitely don't put together an outfit and say, let me wear these. These will go great with my Crocs. But in any event, the shoe itself, really comfortable. You got these bridges inside. They kind of give your foot almost like a little massage, but it's really smooth inside, which is really nice. And the straps on here, all adjustable. so you're able to get a good fit. And obviously, everybody's heard too, you definitely want to size down in these. If you're, I'm an 11. I should have got a 10 because these are kind of big. I got a size 11 because I'm stubborn, but they're fine. I mean, again, I'm not out running in them or anything like that. And when I'm wearing with socks, they're fine. But my guy that I copped these for, he's a 13 and these are an actual 12. So, size down one size and you should be good on the fit. But they got this hard rubber piece. It's kind of right where your big toe sits. And it goes around to the sole of the shoe, which is just really comfortable. Because Crocs, if you've ever worn the traditional regular Crocs, they do wear, and that thin rubber that the Croc is made of can kind of get smooth and soft and like bologna skin on the bottom. But I think this hard rubber that they put on here just kind of gives it a stronger, more durable, lasting kind of situation. But what do y'all think about these in the Horchata colorway? And do y'all know what Horchata is? So tell me down in the comments if you do know. But if you don't, Horchata is a Mexican drink. So it's a drink that's made from like rice milk and cinnamon and cinnamon and something else, vanilla, cinnamon and vanilla. So Horchata is like a, again, milky, that's exactly the same color right here, right? Almost like a light, not chocolate milk, but cinnamon rice milk situation. But this is the Horchata. How long did it take you to get yours? Did you get yours in hand yet? What do you think of this colorway? Like to hear from you down in the comments. Are you a fan of these Salehe Bembury Crocs? I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you probably are, or else you wouldn't be checking this out too much. But again, size down. If you get a pair of these, go down one full size. They're probably more comfortable with socks because again, the strap on the back, if you're wearing them not in sport, if you're wearing them like this, like a lot of people do, that's, one way to wear them. I don't like this because the strap is so big and it kind of throws off the look of it. I typically put mine in the back, but I stretch them out so the strap really just kind of hangs off the back end. So if you see here, this is the way I do my straps. I just leave it kind of dangling because I don't want that up here and I don't like the way it looks bringing the strap forward because again, like I said, it throws off the look of the Croc itself. So that's my take on the Horchata. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you on the next one, y'all. Thanks for hanging out. Talk to you soon. Peace.